What's up, guys? Shout out to all my passport bros, my future passport bros. This video is specifically for the fellas only, specifically the single fellas. Single fellas with means to travel overseas. Ladies, this video is not for you. I repeat, ladies, this video is not for you. You're more than welcome to take a listen, though. I'm gonna simply post a picture up, one picture up, and I'm gonna leave this picture up for 60 seconds. Gentlemen, I want you to think about all the videos on YouTube, all the videos that you've seen on YouTube with the lovely ladies shaming the passport bros for going overseas. All the women that have shamed passport bros for not just going to Colombia, but Philippines and Thailand and other countries. I want you to think about all these videos, and then I want you to look at this photo. I want you to look at these three lovely Colombian women in this photo. When you look at the photo, I also want you to think about all the shaming tactics, all the names that they've called both you and the lovely ladies in Colombia or other countries. Look at these women. These women are natural. These women are friendly. What man in his right mind wouldn't prefer to invest in women that look like this instead of women that have been hateful and shaming you and uncooperative? Think about it. If you're gonna take a risk, wouldn't you rather take a risk when it's a risk where you would get more on your return? I'm just saying. Guys, I'm here to tell you, those shaming tactics won't work. More men are getting their passports and going overseas. I see them. I literally see them in the airport. I see them on the planes. I see them walking down the street. They're enjoying themselves. They're happy. They're engaging in the culture. These women love brothers. It's a great thing. It's a wonderful thing to see. These women love brothers. American men with smiles on their face. I witness it firsthand every time I go down there. They may have less means, but do any of these women look impoverished? I don't think so. In fact, in most cases, you can't walk 500 feet and not see women like this. This is the norm. This is what they look like down there. And a lot of women down there are melanated from African descendants. Guys, don't fall for the shame game. It's all a deterrence, last-ditch effort. Go for what you know. Go for what you want. Get your passports. Get out there. See what the world has to offer. You deserve it.